Dark as fuck. And, oh my goddamn. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Motherfucker thought I was capping. I hit that fucking speed bump and it knocked my shit loose. I think it is might be my fucking battery turned loose, bro. Now watch this. Hold on. Starts back up. That shit's weird, yo. Yo, it's me again, 4th Gen. Damn, I'm getting the names mixed up again. That's how you know I miss Snow White, bro. Fuck, my bad. Let's redo that shit. Yo, it's me again. 4.6 Nazi back here with another video again, geese. Tonight we ain't really doing nothing crazy. I'm just taking the car on a nice little calm little drive and shit. I've been sitting in the house all day, and you know I don't really have any other content. God damn, your lights is bright as fuck. I don't have any other content ideas, so why not bring you guys out with me on a little late night drive and shit like that. So that's what we're doing right now. All right. The phone mount is like at a weird angle, but here's the first spot, bro. It's a car down there. What the fuck? Yeah, brother. We're gonna just do a little U-turn right here. I guess I gave y'all a little pull or whatnot. Give me a second. 40? Is 40 back this bitch? No more. God damn. My bad. I'm also trying to like remember where the fuck I'm going because it's dark as fuck. And oh my goddamn. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. That's what that is, bro. Fuck. I fucking knew it and I caught that shit on fucking camera, bro. Hold on. Motherfucker thought I was capping. I hit that fucking speed bump and it knocked my shit loose. I think it is might be my fucking battery turned loose, bro. Now watch this. Hold on. Starts back up. That shit's weird, yo. Like, it's dark as fuck back here, gangs. I don't know if it's a cop or what. You know. Fuck. Yeah. This is a spot. It ain't nothing crazy, but it's a good little spot to take little pictures and shit like that. I kind of, damn, I can't talk. I want to turn the car around and face it the other way, but I don't even know if this is somebody's private property or what, and I'm not trying to get attacked and shit like that. But here's Scarlet. Y'all can't really see what she look like because it's kind of dark out this bitch, which is my bad. Let me turn the camera around with the flash and see if that helps. I don't know if this is helping, but this is what she looked like. Let me back up a little bit. Put this bitch at 0.5 actually. Hold on. Here she go on her glory. I put it at 0.5 so I can get a wider angle of her. You know, nice little Ford logo on this bitch. You know, light says red on the inside. This is what I was talking about, but I can't show y'all with the doors open because of this shit. You know, I don't know how to turn that off. So that's that. This is the back. I'm hearing noises out this bitch. I'm getting kind of spooked out. Ain't gonna lie. All right, diggies. Fuck. I ain't get like good photos. I got decent photos. I'll put them in the video so y'all can see them and shit. I'm smoking my black amount. I'll put them in the video so y'all can see them and shit. But it's time to get the fuck out of Dodge. I'm hearing weird ass noises out this bitch. But yeah, that's that. So we're gonna go pick them wheels up Sunday and come back home. I might throw the 3 on and then do a quick little video before I go to work. Or if I don't have enough time, Monday for sure I'm gonna put them on because I'm off Monday. So that's that. But again, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming along and tuning in on a little journey and shit like that. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.